So this is our practical number 2. Here we will create a virtual machine in HOL lab, and we will create templates and clone, and we will also see some searching and tagging techniques. So let's see. So here is my virtual lab, hands-on lab HOL. We will wait, I'll maximize my screen. Yeah. And then we will go to Google Chrome. You need high internet connection, and then once it opens we will go to vSphere client, use Windows session authentication, then login. So our interface is somewhat like this. Here is the inventory. You can check all your VM machines and templates. You can explore this later on. So I'll show you how to create VM first. Right click on this. Sorry. Right click on data center, new virtual machine. Create a new virtual machine. Next, then give it a name. So as per the question, I'm going to give it name my temp001. Just copy pasting things. Okay, it does not allow me to. Yeah, it got. Then next, and then next. You can choose from here, let it be Windows only. Then next. From here we can customize our hardware. So as per the question, we need 2 GB RAM, 6 GB hard disks and Photon OS. So let's see. Then 2 GB RAM, hard disks we want 6 GB, hard disks, and then for Photon OS we need to go here, new CD DVD drive, then choose the last option, content library ISO file, Photon, then OK. And then here connect, then next. Then finish. See, it is my virtual machine. Now we will create a template from our virtual machine. Right click, template, convert to template, yes, and then we can check from here VMs and templates. See, here is my template. So this is my template. Now the further question says that we need to create one clone from this template. So right click, clone to template, give it a name, let's say clone my temp001. Then next, then select storage. We can choose either of them. then finish, and we are done with the clone. Here is my clone of my temp001. We can also check its summary from here, like what VM hardware we are using, 2 CPU, 2 GB memory, 6 GB hard disks, and all those things. Similar the case with temp VM hardware. One thing is that we cannot edit settings of template, but we can do editing with the virtual machine. Also, you can convert it template to virtual machine from here. Convert to virtual machine, and then we will see the further question. Create and use tagging to search all virtual machine. Those are in power off mode. Let's see how to do it. Go to menu, scroll down, tags and custom attributes. Firstly, we will create a category, then new, you can give it any name. Let me give it demo. Then here we can write anything, my objects, and then you can choose from here what you want to include as object types. Then OK. Here is the category that we created. Then go to tags, create a new tag. Let's say give it a name, my tag, or you can give anything. Description you can give maybe anything, you can give ABC, let's say. Then you can choose here demo, or if you have created some more tags you can choose from here. Then OK. Then click on this, and that's it. Then go back to virtual machines and templates. Then we will assign our tags. Right click on the thing you want to assign your tag, tags and custom attributes, assign tag. Then click on my tag, then assign. Then same we will do with this also. Tags and custom attributes, assign tag, select my tag, then assign. That's it. We have assigned the tag. You can check from here. See, assign tags. My tag has been assigned. Also you can check from here. You can write here my tag. See, this is the tag we have created. When we will click on this, we will get object. So we have assigned our tag to these two objects, so we are getting these two objects. Now we will see some searching techniques. So for the searching technique, you need to go to its drop down, select tiny VMs, and then here the question says that we need to create search for power off mode. So from here go to virtual machines, power state, then select power off. According to question we are selecting power off. You can select any of these, whatever you want. Then we are not having any result. There is no virtual machine whose power is off. So let's check for power on. Yeah, we are having 2 virtual machines having power on. Let's change it to power on. Yeah, Then here is the power on mode. 2 machines are there. Then we can save search. We can give it to any name. Let's say power on. It is saying that name must be on lowercase. Then save it. And our search has been saved. Now go back to menu, VM and templates. Now you can search here power on. Power from here you can search. See, power on. So here is the save search that we have created, and we are done with the practical. Thank you so much.